want me to. 3, 4, anything you wish for. I'm a slave to your design, so work me to satisfy the core of your mind. Right, so what you want me do? You love chores, distract me from my worst flaws. Setting free the softest part of me gets dangerous sometimes. Still gully that is getting me high. Please don't call my name when I submit to you this way. I'm a dog for you. It's true, I'm just this way for you. I bend more than what I thought was possible. Me in shapes that make you please. It eases up my mind and helps me leave my power behind. Please don't call my name when I submit to you this way. I'm a dog for you. Please don't call my name when I submit.